it's Uncle Dave, and I'm going to show you how to draw a Christmas tree. And Christmas trees are just normal triangles, and then you can leave it open and draw another line like this, like that, and keep working your way down the Christmas tree. And then for a star, you can just go like this, or you can go over and you can just do one of these stars. Then you can put ornaments on it, and you can put candy canes on it. And there's a Christmas tree. And that's Tutorial Tuesday, and I'm Uncle Dave. Bye-bye!